Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
If you're playing it like the next round, you can place your new bets. Go ahead and do that as you will be doing it. We have to spin the wheel. Let's go. Let's spin the wheel. Betting time is now closed. Best of luck to all of you. Luck and luck and luck and luck. Let's see the winning result. That's the winning result right now we're going to get. Can we get that sugar bomb? Oh, we have it. We have a sugar bomb. There you go. 5x for the sugar bomb. If you had the sugar bomb booster activated, that'll be 10x. So, let's go ahead and respin the wheel and let's hope for something nice. Come on. Let's give it a good respin. 3, 2, 1, go! Hopefully another sugar bomb. Hopefully some sweet spins, maybe. The candy drop, maybe. The bubble surprise, maybe. Let's find out. We need to see the winning result. And we will have... Oh, look at this. We have some sweet spins. Finally something amazing. There you go, champ. That's what I'm talking about. Follow me next to the sweet spins panel. We will have 10 spins. If you get 3 or more than 3 lollipops, I'll be 5 extra spins every single time. Let's hope for the best. Let's pull the lever. Enjoy. You made your day. Alright, plums. And a sugar bomb. 1x. 9 more spins. Nothing on this one. 8 left. Nothing on this one. 7 left. Come on, 6 more spins. Nothing on this one. 5 left. We have some plums. And a sugar bomb. That'll be 3x. 4 more spins. Grapes. And a sugar bomb. That'll be 4x. 3 more spins. You have grapes. Yellow candies, plums. Bananas, pink candies. We have a sugar bomb. 2 sugar bombs. Apples. There you go. Nice indeed. Grapes. We need some more sugar bombs. Well, that was pretty good actually. We are up to 30.5x. 2 more spins. Plums, bananas, and a sugar bomb. Let's see the final spin. We have some plums, blue candies, bananas, grapes, and a sugar bomb. So that was it. 42.1x, but with a sugar bomb, that's 210x, I think. Congratulations on your winnings. Thank you so much for playing it like that. Let's get back to the wheel. And 420x. Nice. 420x with a booster activated. Amazing. Congratulations. Betting time is now available. Let's spin the wheel. Let's go. I mean, we've been waiting for this all day long. And it finally happened. You're welcome. You're welcome. You are welcome.
And you cannot really have that happening, you know. I'm pretty sure that's just not okay. Hi, Lopez. Hi, everyone. So many beautiful people in the chat. That is lovely. Candy drop. All right, everyone. We have a candy drop bonus game. How beautiful this is. Follow me to our waffle maze. Pick out your favorite candy of the 3, either blue, red, or yellow. Each candy starts with a 1x and has the chance to gather more along the way as it drops through the maze. And if your candy makes it through 4 purple colored boxes. You will receive plus 1000x multiplier to that candy. Now, let's shuffle the lines and let's start dropping some candies. The first one is the blue one. Plus 1, empty box. Plus 1 on the third box, and we got the purple box on the blue candy. We have a 1000. What? Wow. Plus 2 times 2. I was waiting for this moment. Plus 1, and that's an empty box. Let's see the yellow candy. Wow. Wow. So we got 1006. Blue candy has plus 1 and plus 2. Congratulations, everyone, for your winnings with the candy drop. Wow. Any time is open for you. That's crazy. How much was the total for the blue one? 1,000 something? 1,006? Was it 1,006 or is it like more? Because I don't know the math myself. I saw plus 1, and times 2.
You're welcome to play again and also best of luck more time. Wait, what did you choose? What did you choose and win with? Which number? Let's me know you. Oh, nice! You got the 888s. That's right now closed. Well done. Best of luck now. It's in the middle. Yeah, it is. Even though there is 9 numbers, if I'm not wrong. So it's not. Oh, is that middle? Yeah, it is the middle. Yeah. Now let's get ready to see our next winning results. And now we're getting another candy drop. Well, it's time for us to move once again right next to the maze rules. So let's make some steps. You're welcome. I'm glad that you've managed to get it. And here we are right next to the maze once again. We have 3 candies, blue, red, and yellow. Pick a candy by yourself, or if you get on the site, the system will pick a random candy for you. We also have 4 purple boxes, 1 purple box on each chocolate row. But if your candy goes through all those 4 purple boxes, you're going to win a 1000x. So let's shop with the numbers and drop the candies, starting with the blue one. Plus 10 purple box, ayo. Empty purple box, ayo. Plus 2 purple box, ayo. Ayo, 1000x blue candy. What? Okay, let's see the red candy. Plus 1. Nice, we got a jackpot. Times 2. Plus 1. Times 2. Let's see the yellow candy. Plus 1. Empty box. Oh, come on, yellow, don't do this. Plus 1. Empty box. Those are the multipliers. Congratulations to all the winners and the bets are open. Now let's head back to the wheel so we can start to get around together. Nice, we got a jackpot. Well done, everyone that got the blue candy. Well done. Well, how much were the other 2 candies though? Let's be know y'all. Yes, sir. 1026.